So if you plan to use the Solvid head camera mount for hunting, or any head camera mount for that matter, you're going to really want to pay attention to where that camera's pointing when you shoulder your weapon or draw back your bow or whatever weapon you're using. So right now I'm going to show you how to do a bow. As you can see, it's pointing straight forward. If I draw back, you can tell that that camera is not pointing right down the arrow. If I go over to the target here, you can see that that's not going to line up very well. So to remedy that, how we like to do it, and there's lots of ways to do it, everybody's head's going to be a little bit different, cameras are going to be different, you're just going to have to figure out the best way that works for you. So the way I like to do it is I take my camera and I just turn it to where my thumb is right in between the camera and my head. And that gets it the right position for the left and right. And then the up and down, you're just gonna kind of have to figure out where that's best for you. I just go by feel. Some people will do it judging before they put it on by the head plate and just the positioning of it. But now that I've got that lined up, you'll see when I draw back, that camera's looking right down the arrow. I'll go over here to the target. The first few times, you're gonna wanna check it, you know, put it up there, do a drawback, or just, you know, sometimes I'll just go like this and just pretend like I got an arrow in there and point it at an object and take it off and check it. At this point, we've been doing it long enough and we're familiar with it enough that we can just throw it on and go. We don't have to check it anymore, and you'll get to that point as well. But yeah, the first few times, it's gonna take a little bit of checking and some adjustment, but once you get the hang of it, it's really not an issue. Definitely take it to the range and run some arrows through it and just make sure you're getting it in the right spot, and that'll help you out a lot in the field as well.